Hi, Nathan here to tell you all about Young Again. So Young Again is a weightless leave-in treatment oil. It's enriched with immortelle to deliver deep hydration and conditioning benefits to the hair. It'll leave your hair feeling stronger, smoother, and infused with radiant shine. It's the ultimate indulgent for hair to combat both environmental damage from the sun and wind and also heat damage from styling or chemical damage as well. It'll improve the appearance of dullness and dryness common in the mid-lengths and ends of hair, while assisting in preventing further damage, improving not only the way hair looks and feels, but how it styles, combs and moves as well. Young Again holds properties that are cumulative for softness and shine, and it contains ingredients that partner with others to help you maintain scalp health. Some of the key features and benefits of Young Again are: it's a weightless, nutrient-rich oil powered by immortelle. It holds a potent level of antioxidants to help restore and replenish hair while protecting. It'll help promote elasticity, and it also increases resistance to breakage up to 2.6 times, holding a moisturising effect on dry hair that can assist in dry styling, resulting in improved styling properties and less tangles as you style. Less breakage, less damage, including wet damage from combing and heat damage as well. It also holds a strengthening effect on the hair, almost doubling the strength at 1.7 times. Enriched with skincare hero ingredient immortelle, this intensely nurturing treatment oil delivers deep conditioning benefits that leave the hair feeling soft and smooth with an overall boost to shine and sheen. Safflower seed oil helps give a softening sheen and moisture to the hair while improving elasticity, while green tea extract helps to increase the feel of hair's elasticity and aid in moisture retention. Use Young Again in new and exciting ways as we take a fresh look at one of the icons of Kevin Murphy treatment styling.